Go.
We just completed doing a mock nail. You want to reset the energy to 0. So on a Howix toenail, it's 500 joules, at least 500. You can do more, but 500 joules. And on a lesser toenail, it's 250 joules. Now let's go into menu. In the menu, here we have how you can adjust the sound. You can make it louder, or you can make it... I do not recommend you shut it off completely. The backlight, now the timer. On the timer, it's in seconds. When you're doing pain, you want to set it for at least 5 minutes, and you can convert that into 300 seconds. So you would do this. There's 300. If you uncheck, you must have that checked off. If it's not checked, and I'll show you how to use the therapy handpiece for physical medicine, the hand switch will have to be held down. So in order to press it once and allow it to be released and work, you must have it checked off. If for some reason the handpiece has to be held down, you don't have that button checked. And that's really it. Now proposals, I'm going to show you how to put in a proposal. Let's pick, let's rename it. Let's name it, see the board, how the board comes up? We'll name it Fungus Toenails 50. Now I'm going to put one in that we don't typically use, and we'll call it 50. And we're just making this up. It's mock. And now what you want to do is you got the Fungus 50. You press OK, and we're going to say it's at Fungus 50 is going to be at 6 watts. Now you can do it on the wheel here, or you can do it here to move it. And we'll make it 6 watts. You don't have to even save these if you don't want to. 6 watts, and I'm going to move it at 500 milliseconds. Always check to make sure you're in milliseconds. 500, and we'll make it 600 off. By the way, this is a pretty effective protocol also. Pulse width is only used to control heat. There, we're at 600. So what you do is then you go back to proposal, and look at the bottom here. 6 watts, time on 500, time off 600, and it's in repeat. That's the pulsing mode. And we have it. You press OK, and it'll come right back up. And that's how you set up the proposals. You can put as many different proposals in. I believe you have, there's more than 8 in here, but this one lists 8. It will come up as you get down to the 8. More will come up. I believe there's 16 or 17. Okay, cut. I think